See question number 112. First of all, for any arc, right, any arbitrary shaped arc, if lambda is the linear charge density, okay, if lambda is the linear charge density, right, and r is the radius of the arc, the electric field will be along the line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means this is the arc, this is the center of the arc, and this is the perpendicular bisector. Or this is also called the line of symmetry. So along the line of symmetry means this half and this half are exactly similar. Okay. So this is the line of symmetry. And remember, the electric field will be along the line of symmetry, right? And that is given by the formula. If this total angle you take as 2 alpha, then this angle is alpha, okay? And E is equal to lambda into sine alpha by 2 pi epsilon naught r. Okay, so remember this formula. E is equal to lambda sine alpha by 2 pi epsilon naught r, where alpha is half the angle subtended by the arc at the center. Okay, that is clear. So with that you can find out what will be the field when it is a semicircular arc. We have done with semicircular arc. If you remember, for semicircular arc, alpha value will be how much? Alpha value will be 180 degrees, isn't it? 2 alpha value will be 180 degrees. 2 alpha value is 180, so alpha is 90. So if you substitute alpha 90, you will get E is equal to lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught r. Okay, so that you know. So remember this formula. So this formula is to be applied in question number 112. So what is given in the question? If you observe in the question number 12, it is given a semicircle, right? Half of it is positive and the remaining half is negative. Okay, so what will be the directions of the field? Now due to this, because it's positive charge, field will be like this. Okay, and due to this, field will be like this, right? And because this is, each one is 90 degrees, so this angle will be 45 and this angle also 45. Okay, because if you take the line of symmetry here, right, this angle is 45. Similarly, this angle is also 45. That means this total angle will be 90 degrees, right? Now the field values will calculate later. Okay, now you observe here there is one field E and here is one field E. Now if you resolve them into components, now this will be, let us say, Ex and this is Ey. And when you resolve this, this is also Ex and this will be Ey. Okay, so this Ey and this Ey will cancel out. So only answer will be E net is equal to 2 times of Ex. Okay, so we can calculate Ex now. This is 2 times of, what is E? First of all, what is E? According to this formula, we can write lambda sine alpha is 45, right, divided by 2 pi epsilon naught r, okay, into, now this is E. This quantity is E, but what we want is Ex and this angle is 45. Okay, so one more cos 45 term. Okay, cos 45. Now you calculate this sin 45 is 1 by root 2. This cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. The product of that will become 1 by 2, and that this will cancel with this numerator 2. Okay. So ultimately you are getting lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught r, but it is given in terms of k, where k is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So if you transform it in terms of k terms, then you can write the answer as you multiply by k. If you multiply by k here, then it will be 2k lambda by r. Okay, 2k lambda by r. This is the answer. Okay.